Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss the topic on condition for maximum efficiency. Till now we have seen about the transformer, its construction, features, parts, and EMF equation, and even efficiency also. Today we'll see the condition for that efficiency, maximum efficiency. Okay, as you know, this is the formula for the of efficiency of the transformer, which is V2I2 cos phi 2 divided by V2 I2 cos phi 2 plus Pi plus I square R2. Pi is the iron loss, I square R2 is the copper loss. So this we can indicate, right? V2 I2 cos phi 2 divided by V2 I2 plus Pi plus PCY. Okay, to get the maximum efficiency of this one, what we can do is would have seen in mathematics, to get a maximum efficiency or maximum value, what we used to do is we have to differentiate that function with respect to a particular element. Okay, here we are going to differentiate this efficiency with respect to I2 because current in the secondary is going to be dominating in this. So d and d efficiency divided by di2 means differentiate this equation with respect to I2. Let's see how to differentiate this. This is the differentiation of this equation, right? So this will be the form of numerator divided by denominator. Differentiate numerator by denominator can be done by you would have seen in PUC. So square the denominator. Okay, denominator keep as it is, differentiate the numerator, minus numerator as it is, differentiate the denominator. Okay, so that is equal to 0. Okay, don't do this thing, directly we can do it. Okay, same thing, observe here. So observe here, this it is the numerator and it is the denominator. Okay, square the denominator, right? Denominator square and keep the denominator as it is. Okay, where denominator is as it is, into differentiate the numerator, v2 I2 cos phi 2. You are differentiating this function with respect to I2, means I2 is only the variable. So I2 with respect to I2, if you differentiate, it will be 1, therefore it will be v2 cos phi 2. Okay, and then minus numerator as it is, v2 I2 cos phi 2 as it is, into v2 cos phi 2, because you are differentiating denominator now. Okay, if you are differentiating denominator, so it will be I2 is the variable. So when you are differentiating this, I2 goes 1. Okay, and then Pi remains the same. PCU, what will be the PCU? PCU is nothing but your I2 square R2. So I2 square's differentiation is 2I2. Okay, so 2I2 into R2. Pi goes to 0. Right, this is the equation and equate it to 0. And then what we have to do is, denominator part you can send it to this side, it will goes to 0. Right, only numerator part you can get, that comes this one. Okay, p v2 I2 cos phi 2 plus pi plus I2 square R2 v2 cos phi 2 minus v2 I2 cos phi 2 v2 cos phi 2 plus 2 I2 R2 equal to 0. Okay, this minus sign you send this side, then it will be equal to. Okay, so then equal to, same thing remains same. I have not done anything, it remains the same. Then what we have to do is observe here, v2 cos phi 2 and here v2 cos phi 2. Okay, I2 you keep as it is, v2 cos phi 2 and v2 and cos phi 2 get cancelled. Okay, what are the remaining terms remains? This remains, this remains, this remains, this goes to 0, and here I2 remains, and then v2 cos phi 2 plus 2 I2 R2. So then just I2 you take inside and multiply. When you multiply with this part, here it will get I2 v2 cos phi 2 plus 2 I2 square R2. I2 into I2 square, and it is 2 I2 square R2. Okay, so then now what we can do is, so v2 cos phi 2 get cancelled, v2 I2 cos phi 2 get cancelled. Pi is there, I2 square R2, and here 2 I2 square R2 means 1 I2 square R2 plus I2 square R2. Okay, one among this one can be cancelled. What is there? Pi will be equal to 1 remained, so I2 square R2. Right, so Pi is the iron loss, so I2 square R2 is what? It is the copper loss. Okay, then what is the condition for the maximum efficiency? It is nothing but iron losses should be equal to copper losses. Okay, I repeat once, iron losses should be equal to copper losses, then only you get a maximum efficiency of that transformer. So substitute in that equation same as we have seen in the earlier case. What is the efficiency formula? This formula, substitute your this condition, pi is equal to pcu. So when you substitute p2 i2 cos phi is remains the same in the numerator, in the denominator v2 i2 cos phi plus it was what, pi plus pcu. So it both are same, then you can write 2 pi, else you can write p 2 pcu. Okay, anyone you can write. All right, this is the condition for maximum efficiency. Okay, let's see the numerical on this one. Let's see the numerical. A transformer is rated at 100 kVA. Okay, 100 kVA means, remember one thing, transformer is represented. Okay, and the rating of the transformer is given almost all kV in a kVA, that is S is equal to VA. In terms of kilo we are going to take in terms of kVA. Okay, so transformer is rated at 100 kVA. At full load its copper losses is 1200 watts and its iron losses are 960 watts. Calculate the efficiency at full load, unity power factor, efficiency at half load, and the given power factor, kVA load kVA at which maximum efficiency will occur, and maximum efficiency at 0.85 power factor. Let's see what are the questions they have asked and how to calculate. Let's see the data what they have specified for us. One is S they have given, that is rating of the transformer. Remember the rating of the transformer is given in terms of kVA. 100 kVA they have given, and we can write it as in terms of VA. If you write it as 100 into 10 to the power of 3 VA. Okay, copper losses they have been given, that is 1200, and the iron losses they have given, it is 960. Remember copper losses at full load they have given. Okay, now we'll calculate the efficiency at full load, and the power factor is 0.1. Simple thing, take a formula, efficiency VA cos phi divided by VA cos phi plus PI plus PCU. So all the values you know substitute it. VA is nothing but your S into cos phi. Substitute all the values. Okay, so S is 1000 into 10 to the power of 3 into 1 divided by same thing, numerator and denominator, plus iron loss Pi plus copper loss PCU. If you substitute and multiply into 100 in terms of percentage, then you get a 97.88%. Okay, remember this. And the second thing what they have asked, efficiency at half load with a power factor 0.8 they have given. Meaning of this one is N they have given, N is equal to 0.5 and 0.8 power factor. So we have a formula for this also, NVA cos phi divided by NVA cos phi plus PI plus. Remember whenever load is changing, copper loss is going to change, not iron loss. Okay, N square copper loss. So substitute N 0.5, S 100 into 10 to the power of 3, cos phi is 0.8, same thing in the denominator, plus iron loss 960 plus 0.5 square into 1200 copper loss. Okay, if you calculate this you get a 96.946%. Okay, and then now they have asked for us what is the kVA rating at which your transformer is maximum. Okay, now we have to calculate new kVA. Okay, usually we have a derivation for this which is not necessary for us. We'll calculate directly and remember this formula. Okay, which is new kVA at which your transformer has a maximum efficiency can be calculated using old kVA into square root of iron loss divided by copper loss. Remember this formula. Okay, as you know the formula, so kVA is old kVA is 100. So remember, anyhow kVA is expressed in terms of kVA. Here I am not going to take 100 into 10 to the power of 3. Okay, 10 to the power of 3 represents kVA, K. Okay, that I am not going to take. 100 into square root of 960 divided by 1200, you can calculate it. It comes 89.44 in terms of kVA. Okay, so next we will see the maximum efficiency. What is the condition for maximum efficiency? Pi is equal to PCU or PCU is equal to Pi. Both the losses are remains the same, means both are equal, sorry. So here iron losses remains the same, that only we have to take, not copper losses. Okay, here 960 what you can take. Okay, cos phi means copper loss also you can take, but copper losses is going to change Okay, that's what here we are going to consider iron losses, right? So both also you can consider, right? And then here they have given cos phi is 0.8. So we know the formula for maximum efficiency, which is equal to Va cos phi divided by Va cos phi plus 2 pi, okay, into 100. So substitute all the values here. Remember one thing, since we have calculated here, see, we have calculated new kVA. Let's use that new kVA, and we can do it. Once if you have not calculated, if not they have not asked about it, then what we can do is we can use that S is equal to 100. Okay, 100 into 10 to the power of 3. Since we have calculated and now we are using, if you have used directly 100 into 10 to the power of 3 is also okay. Okay, so 89.44 S into 0.85 power factor divided by same thing plus copper loss is our iron loss, the 2 times of this, which is equal to 97.536 percentage. Okay, I hope you have got this. Thank you.